Dad, I'm gonna show you my squishy. Okay, I'm gonna show you it. I kind of lost Sprinkle last night, and I was crying because it's my best friend, and I lost her. So yeah. So because of that, I made a squishy of her. It's a little different. It has a mustache, and it has eyebrows that looks like not being real, but it looks like a Chinese eyebrows. It looks a little cute, and I really like it. I said how it looks like to my dad, and he laughed, but I wouldn't say it's that funny, because, yeah. Yes, my throat is kind of sore, so, I'm trying to put my voice up. Oh no, I'm showing you a squishy. Oh, that's the butt, sorry. Ready? It is a bunny. It is not blue, sadly, because I didn't have any color blue. Its cheeks are green and its nose is green, and it has a mustache. Ready, steady, look. Okay, so this is my squishy. Do you see that correctly? It's super nice. It acts like slime to me. It's so squishy. Look. Yeah, that's it. And yeah. So this is the eyes, this is the eyebrows, cheeks, mouth, nose, mustache, bunny ears, and that's it. It's super squishy. I really like it. And after the video, I'm gonna go find Sprinkles. Anyways, toodles.